provided clinical care, and the cumulative number has reached 7,000. But my belief is that you have already touched 7 million lives through your educational activities, through your outreach, through your health education, and these are the actual beneficiaries of CARF. And this is a job for the government and done so ably by the foundation. I wish that we had many more such organizations in the country and we could have easily taken care of a condition like cancer. I wish the sponsors, the organizers, and the office bearers of CARF the very best. An organization like this requires two things to happen the right way. One is in receiving the right amount of money and managing it. And we saw the enthusiasm of the donors, the amount of money raised, and the transparency with which it is managed. And this is truly remarkable. And the second is in the dedication of the staff and the office bearers. I see that in the organization, in the little time that I spent with the foundation today, that feeling is palpable. I compliment all the office bearers and workers for their selfless service for humanity. All the best to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we come up to the award for the highest collection by our staff members. So we have Dr. Raj Tendulkar, who is the management consultant of CARF. I would request Professor A.A. Kazi to please hand over the award to Dr. Raj Tendulkar. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Dr. Raj Tendulkar, who has been with CARF since 26th August 2008, and through his association with CARF, he has rendered his valuable service as a management consultant and has collected the highest amount of donation this year. Can we please request Dr. Raj Tendulkar to be on the stage? Okay, we award Dr. Tendulkar while he is on his way. Next, we have Dr. Rizwana Sheikh, Deputy General Manager of CARF. Dr. Rizwana Sheikh, who has joined the foundation in November 2005 as telephone operator cum office assistant. Through her hard work and dedication, she has progressed to the level of Senior Manager, Patient Service Department, and now the Deputy General Manager. Professor A.A. Kazi, please award Dr. Rizwana Sheikh, our Deputy General Manager for CARF. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for this lady. She has supported the foundation in garnering funds over the years, and this year she has collected the highest amount of funds amongst all the CARF employees. And now, Okay, we have Dr. Raj Tendulkar with us. Can we have Dr. Raj Tendulkar with us? This is the award for the highest collection for his fantabulous contribution. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Dr. Raj Tendulkar. Thank you so much, sir. And now a special award. This special award goes to the lady who is with CARF since its inception. Her service to the foundation exceeds all expectations and guarantees a continuing successful relationship. As Secretary General, her personal commitment to the foundation is obvious in everything she does. She excels in raising funds for the foundation, and her desire and willingness has fueled our mutual efforts to lead us to success. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about Mrs. Rashida A. Kazi, Secretary General CARF, and I would request Professor Dr. Rehan A. Kazi to give away this special award to Mrs. Rashida A. Kazi for her support, for her enthusiasm, for her energy, for her everlasting smile. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mrs. Rashida A. Kazi. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the felicitation ceremony. But before that, I would like to extend our president, Mr. Hassan Chogle, of this function for consenting to preside over the function in spite of his busy schedule. Cancer Aid and Research Foundation is extremely grateful to our chief guest, Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, Manipal University, guests of honors, VC, Manipal University, Professor Rajashekar, Dean of Manipal University, Mrs. Geeta Gauli, who couldn't make it although, Mr. R.K. Dubey, Mr. M.V. Taksale, Mr. K.V. Srinivasan, Mr. Amod Sharma, Mr. Shravan Rathore, Jafar Bhai, Kausar Hassan, Dr. Shams Dean, Suresh Sharma, Dr. Ritu Biani, Dr. A.R. Undre, Mr. Shashikant Pandit, and all other distinguished guests for having spared their valuable time to grace this occasion. Indeed, words fall short for us to express our gratitude to the cancer patients and their family members who had to be taken all the trouble to attend the program today. Our special thanks to our sponsors, Canara Bank, Reliance Capital, Central Bank of India, ONGC, LIC of India, Bank of India, and CARF Pharma Private Limited for making this function a grand success. We are grateful to all our donors, advertisers, and well-wishers for their valuable contribution and support, which has enabled us to achieve our goal, culminating in this beautiful program today. We will also extend our thankful to two very special people who are going to perform tonight for you during the entertainment session, the Laughter Challenge Queen Bharti and the Laughter Challenge King VIP, and their group, Shri Kali Kala Events, who has organized and taken the pain to organize this beautiful program. We will never forget their generous gesture. We thank the honorary chairman and members of the Souvenir Committee for all their efforts put into organizing the program. We also thank the staff members of the foundation who have worked tirelessly to make this program a grand success. And ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, we thank you for your precious time to be a part of this evening. A big round of applause for all of you and all the distinguished guests here who've taken their time to be here, a part of the ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a couple of minutes before you go, can I request our guest of president here of the function, Mr. Hassan Chogle Saab, to share a few words before we all take a break. Mr. Hassan Chogle Saab. Thank you, sir.
I think it is out of the protocol, but as I am being requested, I will not speak too much. I will few lines of acknowledgement. Professor A. Kazi, Dr. Rehan Kazi, Mrs. Rashida Kazi, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, good evening and namaskaram. Cancer Aid Foundation is doing a very noble and good job for the underprivileged, for the needy cancer patients. And the value of the help only knows who suffer from the disease. I can say in other words, Rashida Kazi started with the Urdu poetry. I will tell you one thing, what is the importance of the poetry. If you want to say volumes about somebody, you can just express in 2 lines. So I will also do the same thing. प्यास हो तेज तो एक बूंद की कीमत है बहुत, प्यास हो तेज तो एक बूंद की कीमत है बहुत, वक्त पे छोटा सा एहसान बड़ा होता है. So Cancer Aid Foundation doing that job. And to establish an organization for the namesake and for the publicity is very easy. Cancer Aid Foundation was established 12 years back, and they are continuously doing a dedicated service to the community. It is not an easy task. I just, as a mark of respect for them, I will say, बनाने की जिसे धुन हो, वो सब चीजें बनाता है. बनाने की जिसे धुन हो, वो सब चीजें बनाता है. जिसे बातें बनानी हो, वो बस बातें बनाता है. So Professor Kazi and their group are doing a wonderful job. And at the end, I know they have understood what is the mantra of humanity. They are doing this job without caste and creed and without any regionalism. O lamha, zindagi भर की इबादत से भी प्यारा है. इबादत is a prayer. Lamha is a movement. O lamha, जिंदगी भर की इबादत से भी प्यारा है जो एक इंसान ने दूसरे इंसान की खिदमत में गुजारा है. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me. Let us take a place today to be part of this noble cause, and let us join hand with Cancer Aid Foundation to help the needy, to help the underprivileged, and to help the downtrodden people. And let us pray for them to Almighty Allah, to God, to Bhagwan, whomever you believe, या इलाही और इनके हौसलों को कर बुलंद, या इलाही और इनके हौसलों को कर बुलंद, रहती दुनिया तक रहे ये कामयाब और सरबुलंद. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a donation today of 1 lakh by a well-wisher here present today. Thank you very much for the contribution. And finally, I also would like to present a bouquet of flowers to the lovely Vanisha for all her efforts today. On behalf of Cancer Aid and Research Foundation, a bouquet of flowers to Vanisha, our compare.
Thank you, Dr. Kazi. These flowers will lose its freshness, but the freshness of our face, especially the patients who are here, that will always remain forever. That is the thought behind our hearts.
And one more donation of 1 lakh from one of our guests on the dais, Mrs. Hassan Chowgle. Mrs. Kausar Chowgle. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Before we wrap up, we have one more of our guest of honor. Dr. Rehan Kazi has to do the needful to felicitate Mr. Tawqir Hassan, who is the executive director of ONGC, who is with us. So, Mr. Tawqir is here. Sir, can we please have you on the stage? And thank you so much for being a part of this evening. ONGC has donated an amount of 4 lakhs to the foundation. A very, very thoughtful deed. Thank you so much, sir. Before we go on to the entertainment, ladies and gentlemen, outside the auditorium, you have a charity sale of the biography of Professor A.A. Kazi. I'm sure you would like to read it and get inspired. So all of you can proceed and get those books available there. And thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, on the dais. So once more, a big round of applause for all our distinguished guests to have spared their precious time and effort for making this wonderful evening a special evening. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You can enjoy the rest of the evening with us as a part of the audience. बिफोर मैं एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम के बारे में अनाउंस करती हूँ, आप सबको पता है कि कौन आने वाला है. मैंने 2 नाम ऐसे लिए हैं जिनको छोटे पर्दे पे, बड़े पर्दे पे आप सबने देखा है, चाहा है, प्यार किया है, बहुत सारी हंसी उनको दी है. वो अब कुछ ही देर में यहाँ पे हमारे साथ होंगे और उनके साथ साथ there will be a dance and musical extravaganza also. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move on to the entertainment mood, एक चीज़ मैं आप सबसे कहना चाहूँगी कि monetary help is just a way of medium to help these people. अगर 24 घंटों में रोज़ आप अपने prayer में 1 minute भी निकाल सके for the cancer patients, pray for their well-being, pray for their रिकवरी, तो हम सब बहुत आभारी होंगे आप सबके. We go for a small interval break of 10 minutes and we'll be right back with the entertainment and the musical extravaganza. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. We look forward to see you and part of the celebration of the 12th Foundation Day.